Like all my adventures, they all start from home in Fort Payne, Alabama. This trip is simple. Travel to Bald River Gorge Wilderness Area, set up camp, then fly fish along the Bald River. It's about 107. It is hot. It's only about 87 degrees right now, but the humidity is so high I'm dripping in sweat. I didn't even film the camp getting thrown, so that's kind of boring, but I'm here on Bald River Gorge Wilderness Area, and let's go fish. I've hiked down, we'll say, about a half a mile. That the trail's way up high on the Bald River, but I see an access coming up, and we'll go down and fish our way upstream, see how it goes. And this place is it is rhododendron chalked. If I see one, we'll get a picture of it. This is what makes Bald River so awesome, because it's just chock full of these little scenic areas around here like this. And the reason I'm being quiet, kind of staying hidden, is I'm fixing to go down in there and I don't want to spook the fish. It's way too hard to video, so I've got a little point of view camera that I'm wearing on my my little thing I carry all my gear in, whatever it's called. But maybe we'll catch something, maybe we won't. Here we go. It's just one of them big giant shiners again. Man, it is roasting out here. It's the temperature's not, it's just the humidity, it's terrible. If you're not in the water, which I haven't been, I actually hiked from that pool I was just fishing. Probably hiked another half mile. Access to the river's few and far between. But man, I'm just sweating. I'm trying to drink water as much as I can, but it's still just hot. I'm gonna fish this little stretch through here and I'll probably just lay down in it for a little bit. Late afternoon, I decided to fly fish on Bald River, right below my campsite. Well, came back to campsite to rest. Man, I'm sweating like there's no tomorrow. That little bit of swim did me some good, I think. I'm gonna rest up a little bit, and then Bald River is just right here at the campsite. I'm gonna suit up and hit it. I'm not gonna bring the good video camera, but I'll bring my little bitty one just in case we catch one. All right, here we go. Bald River. See what we got. Looks like a little rainbow. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. Oh, come on. Come on, be still, be still. All right. All right. See you. Thank you. All right. There it is. Number 2. Oh, be still, be still. I don't want to hurt you. All right. Thank you. Here we go. Woo! Oh, be still, be still, be still. He looks like he'd been caught before. See ya. Okay. Rainbow. Same spot, man. Same spot. Ah! Oh well. Reckon there's another one in that hole. Pretty rascal. Come on, be still, be still, be still, be still. Little bitty trout. Little bitty trout. Oh yeah. See ya. Should have practiced with this camera more. So I'm not really sure what it's looking at. Maybe it's looking right there. Calm down, calm down. Ooh, he done swallowed it. Oh, see ya. Thanks. Oh man, that was awesome. Got into them and caught quite a few. So, it's finally starting to cool down a little bit. Maybe it'll actually be tolerable tonight. I hope so. We'll start all over again tomorrow. Tuesday morning's plan is simple. Travel to a small creek off the North River called Sugar Cove Creek and try my luck at some close quarter fly fishing. Oh, about 6:30 this morning, a big thunder shower came through, and it's been raining since 6:30 to maybe around 10:30. It finally quit, and so with everything starting to dry off, I'm gonna head to Sugar Cove Creek, which is probably about 7-8 miles from here. Well, here's Sugar Cove Creek. Looks kind of gnarly. But we're going to go ahead and give it a shot. May not last long just because it might be too hard to fish. Sugar Cove Creek, it's a little beyond my expertise. It's a little too tight, pools are too small, and it's pretty much rhododendron choked. So I'm gonna go back the way I came and maybe set up on the North River a little bit. The rain this morning didn't seem to affect it. Tellico River is just brown with mud, flowing pretty hard. these upper mountain streams aren't. Starting to get a little warm, but it's the humidity more than anything. So anyway, say goodbye to Sugar Cove Creek. We tried. Oh, that and the bugs are bad. All right, I'm gonna try the North River. It's a little muddy from the rain, but we'll kind of see how things go. Well, it's good to know some things don't ever change. Back to catching them giant minnows. I make the trek back to Bald River and try my luck on some more late afternoon fly fishing. Sugar Cove Creek and the North River were kind of a bust. I kept catching those little shiners again. So back at the campsite, gonna rest here for a little bit and probably hit Bald River again late afternoon like I did yesterday, and maybe maybe the trout will be biting again. We'll catch a bunch. It's late afternoon. This will be the last time we're doing a little fishing before we call it, go to bed and get up and pack up and go home tomorrow. So I'm just gonna go up Bald River again in a different spot downstream from the campground and see what we can see what we can catch. Okay, had to do a little line maintenance here. Going back with the elk hair caddis. It's been very successful in these afternoons. It's a little floatant right there. All right, let's go back to fishing. These little bad boys are so slick. I should have brought my net, but I didn't. I must have fished about a half a mile. It took me about 10 minutes just to get back to the truck, but it's starting to get late, so I'm gonna go back to the campsite and probably take a quick dip, cool off, and I guess make dinner and start the fire and sit there in my chair and watch my iPod. Oh, I hope all this video came out because I caught 3 fish. Oh. Early in the morning. I've already taken the tent down so I can get the tent pad drying. Pretty soon there won't be anything left. I'll be headed for home. Adventure complete. Caught several. I quit counting. I caught a lot of trout, which was good. Oh, that's my truck telling my safety belt's not on. I'll put it on. I'm gonna throw my trash away before I head out of here. Until next time.